Most Amazon sellers fall into a very specific trap when they launch their first ad campaigns. They chase the biggest, most obvious keyword like water bottle and they throw their entire budget at it. This is what I call the 100K trap. Yes, the volume is huge, but the competition is brutal, and for a new product with 0 reviews, that keyword is just a really fast way to burn your cash. Professional sellers don't just chase volume, they build a structure that balances discovery with control. This video is specifically for sellers who want to set up a complete professional PPC structure in under 3 minutes without guessing which match types to use. The problem with most campaigns is that they are messy and sellers mix auto and manual campaigns randomly. They forget to add negative keywords, so they pay for clicks like free water bottle or broken water bottle, and worst of all, they don't separate their budgets, so the expensive keywords eat up all the money before the profitable ones even get a chance. What I like to do is to use the architecture. I separate research from ranking and use negative keywords from day one to block wasted spend. Since I'm a very lazy person and I don't want to do that manually each time for every product all over again, I created this Amazon PPC campaign builder that you can see behind me. I will show you how it works, and you can check out the website in the description below. And while you are there, make sure to check out the freebie, the free tool that I'll rotate every week, so you can see how my tools work. Now let's look at how this tool actually builds the architecture for you. You can see on the left side, this is your campaign architect. It asks for simple inputs, but it uses them to calculate complex bid strategies. So first, it asks for your product name and your primary keywords. But notice here that it asks for them in order of importance. So this is crucial because the system uses the first few keywords to build your core exact strategy and the keywords you actually want to rank for. It asks for your unit economics, your price and your target ACOS, and the system uses this to calculate a realistic bid ceiling, ensuring you don't start by overpaying. Then we have a daily budget per product. It automatically splits the money using 40-40-20 rule. 40 goes to auto campaigns for research, 40 goes to manual exact campaigns for ranking, and 20% goes to discovery campaigns to find the long tail opportunities. And finally, it asks you for a launch stage here. If you select scale, it focuses on efficiency, and if you select defensive, it prioritizes protecting your own brand terms. Once you enter these details, the tool generates a massive structure prompt, so just click here, generate PPC campaign prompt. And if you go up, you can see this massive prompt on the right side. There is a lot of mathematics behind this, and the tool pulls all your information from the left side and builds this huge prompt that you can paste in ChatGPT, Gemini or Grok or any other AI. So let me show you. I will paste this in a ChatGPT. Just paste it here and click run. And you can see that we have a result with 3 distinct campaigns ready for you to copy and paste into the Seller Central. So campaign 1 is the auto research campaign. It sets up all 4 targeting groups: close, lose, substitutes and complements, and assigns specific bids to each based on your budget. Campaign 2 is the manual core exact campaign. This is your sniper rifle. It takes those primary keywords you entered and isolates them in their own budget. This prevents the 100K trap because you are controlling the spend on these specific high-intent terms rather than letting them run wild in a broad campaign. And finally, we have the campaign 3. This is a manual discovery campaign. This uses broad and phrase matching to find new keywords you haven't thought of yet, but with lower bids to keep it safe. But the most valuable part is at the bottom. It's a negative keywords. This is a negative keywords strategy. The system automatically generates a list of universal negatives. So it blocks words like free, cheap, repair and parts immediately. This means you stop paying for useless clicks from the very first second your ads go live. As you can see, the whole meaning and whole purpose of this tool is to turn hours of campaign setup into a 3-minute copy-paste job. So it gives you the structure of a 7-figure seller without the headache. So download the tool, generate your campaign structure and launch with a system that protects your budget. But having the perfect campaign structure is only half of the battle. Even the best ads will fail if your listing is invisible to Amazon's algorithm. You need to know exactly which keywords to put in your title and bullets to get indexed. That process is handled by the Listing Optimization Master, another tool that I'm really proud of, and that tool and how to use it is explained in this video over here. I hope it will be super useful to you. And as always, I'm really bad at the outros, so I just want to wish you luck on Amazon, and let me know in the comments below how it goes.